What's up guys, today we're gonna install some carbon look canards for the front bumper to my Corolla. Let's do it! Okay guys, that's my Corolla. So today we're gonna install some canards. I'm gonna put them here. Okay, but let's open it first. Let's see the canards. All right, let's open them first. Okay guys, these are the canards. I already opened the box, but these are canards. So I think they go like this. You can see them there. This is a carbon look. They look great. You can see it there. Look great. This one already has a double-sided tape, but I hope this is strong enough to hold the canards, because these one are gonna get a lot of air pressure and I don't know, I don't want this thing to fly while I'm driving on the freeway. Okay, so now let's install this thing. This should be pretty easy. Just remove this red backing tape and then just stick it to the bumper. That's it, no holes. Alright guys, so let's install them on the front bumper and let's see how hard it is. Alright, let's do it. Okay guys, I have a little problem. This one fits perfectly right here. You see the shape of the bumper is great, but the other one, see that one right there, it's nice, fits perfectly. Shape of the bumper is amazing, but now this one, you can see it's not a straight. It's not like a flat or in a curve. You see, it's like a zigzag thing. So in here it has a gap. Oh man, that's a problem. I don't know where can I put this one. Okay, let me figure out. Where should I put this? Okay guys, oh man, after playing a little bit with this, it's gonna be like that. So this one, it doesn't have a gap there, but on the top one it will stick good there, but on the bottom it's gonna have a gap right there. So that's my best, the best position I could have done it, because I don't want them to move in too far. I mean, like over here is gonna look weird. I want them together in this area. All right. So for me, that's the best position, because the bumper is not flat, has a little bit of curve, but these things, man, the curve is very weird on the Canards. All right, so but I think I need to get more double-sided tape. This one is too thin; it's gonna fly away with the on the freeway. Okay, so I'm gonna get another double-sided tape, put it on the Canards, and let's install that next. Let's do that. Okay guys, this time I got the bigger roll. This one, the 3M, because this one is the best one. This one is 15 feet. Okay, so now I have extra. Okay, let's put it on the Canards, the tape. Alright guys, you can see it right there how they look. They look nice. You can see it. And they are strong because I added more double-sided tape. That's why I want it to be strong. Yes, look cool. But remember, the shape of this canard is not the best shape. I mean, this curve, it's not the best one because I want it more, a little bit down here. And the other one maybe right there. But if I want to do that, it won't stick because of the curve, the shape of the canard, okay? But that's the best position that I could have done it. And you can see it right there. It looks beautiful. You can see it. So now let's do the other side. This one is done. Let's do the other side. And then after I'm done with the other one, let's see it outside, how it looks. Right? So let's do the next one. Yeah. The carbon look, it's beautiful. You can see it there. Yes. Okay, some of you guys might be asking why I didn't put a big one on the top, because this one is bigger, this one is smaller. The way it should be, maybe the big one has to be on the top and the smaller one on the bottom. But I didn't put the big one because it doesn't stick to the shape. It has a big gap in here and here. That's why I didn't put the big one on the top. The one on the bottom has better, sticks better in the bottom part. Okay, so that's why I did the big one on the bottom, not on the top. And this one is fixed perfectly in here. That's why. All right. So I wish I could put this one on the top, because the big one, it looks more nicer on the top part, but has a big gap. And see it there. So it doesn't fit on the top part. All right. So that's why I put the thin one on the top and the big one on the bottom. Okay, in this one, I added a small piece right here to fill the gap, because this one, it has a gap in this area. It has a gap here, so I made it a double so you can fill the gap a little bit. Okay, so let's continue with the installation. Okay guys, those are the canards for the front bumper. The quality is alright. They are made of plastic. They have the carbon look for the style, but they are made of plastic. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep this or should I remove it? Put in the comments, tell me your opinion. Okay, put in the comments. Also, today is Thanksgiving, so I hope that you have a blessed and nice Thanksgiving with your family. God bless you too. And also, if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.